Hello dear students, a very good morning to you all. I am your English teacher Miss Ayasha. I would like to welcome you all in the first lesson of third term. Students, the spring break is over. Now you have to start studying again. Dear students, I hope you all know that in third term we are going to follow only the online lessons. In third term, you are not coming to school, but you have to study everything from your home. Students, I would like to remind you that third term is the most important term because very soon you are going to grade 3. So, you have to study very attentively from your home. So, without wasting a single moment, let's get started. You have to take your pupils book, activity 1, page 44. The name of the unit is In My Town. In this unit, you are going to learn different places that we find in a town. What are the important places of a town? A cinema hall, petrol station, restaurants, train station, bus stops, and there are so many other places. Students, there is a listening audio attached here. You have to listen to the audio and learn all the names that you find in a town.
Unit 4. In My Town. Pupils Book, page 44, Activity 1. Listen, look and say. 1.
Cinema.
2.
Petrol station.
3.
Restaurant.
4.
Train station.
5.
Bus stop.
6.
Post office.
7.
Bookshop.
8.
Computer shop.
9.
Supermarket.
10.
Shopping centre.
11.
Bank.
Dear students, now go to page 45, activity 4, pupils book. Here is a song for you. Maps are great. Now listen to the song and then sing along.
Pupils Book, page 45, Activity 4. Listen and sing. Map's a great song. Karaoke version.
Students, have you enjoyed the song? I hope you have enjoyed. Now go to pages 46 and 47. Pupils book. Here is a story for you. Is there a bookshop? And along with the story, you will find a listening audio. You have to listen to the audio and then try to read the story by yourself. Students, after the listening and reading activity, you have to do activity 8 from page 47. Now, listen, read, and then complete the activity 8.
Pupils Book, pages 46 and 47. Activity 7. Listen and read. Where are Jenny and her dad? Is there a bookshop?
Do you want to come to the shopping centre, Jenny?
Yes. OK.
I want to buy a book. Is there a bookshop?
Yes, there is. Look. I want to buy a computer game. Is there a computer shop?
Yes, there is. It's here. I'm hungry. Let's eat first.
OK. There are restaurants over there. I want pizza and salad.
Me too. Oh no! Where's my wallet? Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is. It's over there.
Dear students, now go to page 48, activity 10. Here you will find 8 incomplete sentences, which you have to complete using want to or wants to. Students, in term 1 we studied present simple tense, where you learn where you have to put s with the main verb and where the verb will be single without any s. Have you remembered? Students, if you don't remember the rules, don't worry, we will revise the rules again in third term. Here, you have to find out the subjects in the sentences. If the sentence starts with he, she, it, or any singular name or singular object, you have to put s with the verb. If the subject is I, we, they, or any plural names or plural objects, you should not put any s with the main verb. Okay? Now, students, try to find out the subjects at the beginning of the sentences and then put want to or wants to according to the rules. Dear students, now check your activity book, page 34, activity 1. Here, you have to look at the pictures and then you have to match with the names. Now look and match. Dear students, your next activity, activity 4, page 36, activity book. Here, you have to read the story and then you have to tick the correct options. Now read and tick. Dear students, now go to page 37, activity 5. Look and write want to or wants to. Here, 4 incomplete sentences are given. You have to complete the sentences using want to or wants to. It's very easy, dear students. Now do it very quickly. Dear students, now we will do activity 6, page 37, activity book. Here, you have to write down sentences taking the help of the picture given in this page. Look at the picture. It's a picture of a mother and a daughter. A mother is driving her car and thinking of going to two different places. And the daughter is also thinking of going to two different places. Students, now you have to write down the sentences taking the help of want to and wants to. You can notice that in the first sentence already want to and wants to are written. Now in the second sentence you have to write down want to and wants to and then the name of the places they are thinking of going. Now try to do it by yourself. Dear students, now turn the page over. Go to page 38. Activity 7. Look at the picture of Pine Street here. You can find there is a bus stop, a supermarket, and a movie theater hall. You have to draw a post office and a bookshop here. Now start drawing the post office and the bookshop. Students, your next activity is Activity 8, page 38. Activity book. You have to take help from Activity 7 and complete this activity. Here, 6 questions are given. You have to answer the questions using yes, there is or no, there isn't. Now, read out all the questions and then answer them. Students, now we have to do worksheet 1 of present simple tense. Remember that I told you in first term we have already learned present simple tense. In third term we are going to review this topic again. What is present simple tense? I hope all of you know. Present simple tense is our habitually performed actions that we do often, sometimes, daily or regularly. If the subject is he, she, this, it or any singular name, we have to put s, es or ies at the end of the verb. If the subject is I, we, you, they or any plural names or plural objects, there will be no s, es, ies at the end of the verb. Okay? And dear students, remember, general truth will be always present simple tense. Now what are the general truth? Like the sun rises in the east and it will be risen from the east forever. Okay? So it will be present simple tense. The sun rises in the east. The earth moves around the sun. Every mother loves their children. All these are general truth. And what is our habitually performed actions? Like I go to school every day. He goes to school every day. We play in the park every weekend. I play in the park every weekend. They play in the park every weekend. But if I use any name like Saba or Lara or Sama or Mariam, we have to put s, es or ies at the end of the verb. Like Mariam plays in this park every weekend. Saba plays in this park every weekend. If I use two names like Saba and Lara, then the verb will be single. There will be no ses. Okay, students? Now you have to look at the sentences given here and you will find some verbs are given in the bracket. Check the subject and then put s, es or leave the verb alone. Okay? Try to do it by yourself. Dear students, I hope you have done worksheet 1. If it is done, now you have to do worksheet 2. This worksheet is same like worksheet 1. You have to complete the sentences using the correct form of verbs. Students, you can find some verbs that are given in the bracket. You have to change the form of the verb looking at the subjects. Look at the subject at the beginning of each sentence and change the form of the verb. Dear students, now look at worksheet 3. In worksheet 3, you have to make interesting sentences of present simple tense using the verbs given here. Here I gave 10 verbs for you. You have to change the form of the verb and make present simple tense. Students, now think very carefully and then make interesting sentences. Dear students, the last worksheet of today's lesson is a reading comprehension. A reading about the boat parade. You have to read this reading comprehension and then you have to answer the following questions. Now read and answer the questions. Students, that's all for today's lesson. I'll be back in my next lesson in next week. Students, before I leave, I would like to say that kindly don't waste your time at home. Try to study from today. And every week what we are going to upload for you, all the worksheets, all the book activities, try to do it regularly from your home. Don't waste your time only by watching televisions and playing games, because third term is the most important term that I already mentioned in the beginning of my lesson today. I would expect that all of you will follow my instructions and complete all your activities. Thank you, dear students. Take care of yourselves and take care of your family. Goodbye.